Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you, like showing you how you can start affiliate marketing without having any skills, and you can make over $200 a month if you put everything I teach you into practice. Okay, so this will be like a full tutorial on how you can start. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, okay, and turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this my channel. Because if you can see my videos, I post video on how to make money online, both CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, survey sites, and many more. Okay, so all of you know there are different affiliate platform to join. There's Clickbank, JBZoo, Warrior Plus, Gstore 24. So if you are in any country that Clickbank is not supported, you can come over to my blog, okay? Just try www.theonlineimage.com and check this my article here, how to create clickbank account in unsupported countries. I've dropped the link of this article in the description of this video, so you can just check the article out and follow it step by step on how you can open a clickbank account, because clickbank is one of the best affiliates because their commission is over 75%. Okay, meaning if you sell a product worth $100, you can gain $75 as your commission. Okay, with that all said, okay, so now let's go into today's video. Fine, okay, so you have your account ready, your affiliate account. Now it's time for promotion. In affiliate marketing, you have to like think smart and be straightforward. Focus on one thing. Don't just go ahead copying different links and promoting them. Firstly, you can grab any link you want, like, but me I focus mostly on digital product, like all those hosting, email marketing, and little make money online, affiliate offer, and some weight loss offer, because weight loss is one of the selling affiliate products. So in this video, I'll be showing you, okay, you can see this article I wrote, just like a review article, but there's a lot of affiliate link in this article. Like, I was comparing two email marketing software. You can see get response Aweber. You can see if I tap on this red, you click on it to direct them to my affiliate link, and once they purchase it, I'll earn some commission. So I gave a detailed comparison between two email marketing software. So anybody that are interested in knowing about it, they'll come to the article, read, and most likely click on the link to purchase. Okay, so let me use this link as an example. Okay, let me see how to promote a product. Okay, you have to go it the smart way. You know that you just copy your link and start spamming. And I want you guys to start your own website. You can use blogger.com, start up a free website. Okay, then later when you have started making some money, then you can buy domain and also buy hosting and the rest. Okay, you can start a free you can start a free you can see I have different blog here. Okay, so this one is my main blog. I have other blog for weight loss. Okay, so you can just write a review about the product. Okay, write a review about the product, or you can also build landing pages. Let me show you a sample of a landing page. Okay, let me see. You can see this is a sample of a landing page I created, but all this can't last, because once fine is good, once you send traffic here, when they click on it, on the link here, you direct it to your affiliate link. Okay, so click on your affiliate link. But I want you also to go with your website, because website will be a long term. Okay, be getting traffic to your website. So when you buy hosting and domain. Your website will already start ranking on Google, and from there you start getting views to your affiliate link organically. But whereas using landing page, you have to like run advert to it or promote it yourself. But you can also go with building landing pages. Okay, so if you don't know how to build landing page, you can see my last video, like one of my last video. I explain how to use Aweber to create landing page. You can also use site.google.com. You can also use get response. There are many. Okay, you don't have to make it very complex, just make it very simple and short. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, okay, in this example, I'm going with a digital product. Okay, I was comparing two email marketing software. You can go ahead, copy compare two weight loss products or two web hosting products, okay, of the service. Just go ahead, compare it, and fill everything mostly with affiliate link. Okay, you cannot start a website and name it a cool name to be.blogspot.com, and it's free. I just add a nice theme. You don't need to edit anything. So after that, grab your link and come over to Quora. Okay, most of you, when I say Quora, most of you don't know how to use Quora. Let me just show you something. Okay, actually, I've been off of on Quora for some time. I just came back and you can see just in the last 30 days, I've gotten over 844 views. And you can see some people even they shared my answer, meaning to reach out to more people, even though it's outside Quora. Okay, just actually, if you can see, I didn't even post anything during this part. Then I started back May 20th. You can see 35 views, 44, 97. You can see the views, and I hardly answer 10 questions a day. After I answer 5, 4, 2. Okay, so it depends. So this is a great way to start. Okay, so now if you want to start, you can go and search for, okay, this dot here is about email marketing. You can search for email marketing on the search bar here. Okay, but note before I go into that, once you are starting Quora for the first time, I won't want you to start pasting link because Quora don't like someone pasting link. Actually, my account is somehow old, but I don't post link all the time. So as a beginner, you might like your first 1 week, you just be giving value. Like even though you don't know the answer to question, just Google it and copy and paste for them. And sometimes add image so your answer might be catchy and receive more views. Then after 1 week, then maybe the following week you can start adding one link to like one of, like if you answer 5 questions, you can only add one link to like one of the question. Then but gradually you will increasing it. Maybe then in the next 3 questions you answer, you add one link. They can turn to that every question you add link. When you add link, don't add your affiliate link straight or CPA link. Like I say, you should go with a website. You can go with your website now and link it, or you can go with your landing page, anyone that suits you the most. Okay, so once you follow those steps, you won't have any issue with Quora. Okay, so let me see, search for email marketing. Let me see, search, and on Quora here, once you search, they'll show you list of questions, both answer, both post. So it's less for you to filter it. Okay, I love filtering it because sometimes it might show you question of over 2 years. So if you don't filter it and you go ahead to answer them, you might not get any views to them. Like going with past week or past days. Some question you might not see, some kind of question when you put past day, you might not see any question available because it's not a topic people usually search for most. Okay. You can see now I filter it past week. You can see it was on Wednesday last week. You can see it's email marketing paid media. So you can go ahead, answer this kind of question like explain what email marketing is to him, tell him about how email marketing can benefit his or her online business, then can I put a link to your article like check out this article for you to know which email marketing is best for your online business. Okay, and most likely they are likely going to click on your link. And note, it's not only the person that posted the question you are sharing your link to. Some viewers will later come across this question and try to check the answer, and through that method you to get more views. Okay, then see, is there any lead to your affiliate marketing? Is affiliate marketing an old way of marketing? You just have to answer this question. Even though you don't know it, you can just come over to Google here and search for email marketing to know what it's all about. Search for email marketing to know what all is all about, and you can just copy and paste some kind of answer, but I want you to like edit it, so you don't just paste some kind of content. If you correct it, like if you see some kind of word, you can edit it to your own taste, so that you can use to automate work and paste. But I want note, don't paste the same answer to all the question here. Try to make some edit and just put your time on it. And through this gradually, and you start seeing some views to your website. You can see, let me just show you, actually 138 views. Okay, just, yeah, and these views are targeted views, no views that anybody just click on it. It's only people that are interested in this that will actually click on it. So before you start seeing getting sale, most sometimes less than 50 views you might get sale. Sometimes you have to go have many views on your article before you get sale. As I say, if you keep doing this consistently, okay, every day you're getting like 30 to 20 views on your article. You keep asking the same question about um email marketing. Also, you can even go with affiliate marketing. Okay, you can search for affiliate marketing, answer question related to affiliate marketing. Okay, let me show you an example so you know how it's done. It's not only email marketing you can go. You can go with affiliate marketing. Let me show you. So when you search for affiliate marketing, is loading. So Africa is already filtered already. You can see what are affiliate marketing jobs, what is affiliate marketing to use, where is affiliate marketing available. So for you to automate things, not that you start writing all your answer from scratch, you can go to like Google Doc, like where I go this, you can write Google Doc and draft your answer. Okay, so you save it separately. So anytime you see question related to that topic, you can just copy and paste it and edit some few things. Make sure your answer is longer and add like image. You can download the image from Google. So yeah, you're saying now, see the question, where do I start affiliate marketing? You can also reply by saying you can start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not hard to start, it's very easy. You can start by registering under one of the one of the best affiliate marketing websites. You can list it for him. Okay, then you now start telling him how you should go about it. That for you to start affiliate marketing, you need a website, and you need a email marketing software, so you can use to build landing pages and grab email. So for him to get the best email marketing that will suit him the most, you check this article for the best email marketing, and then you link your link, and then you will still explain more about how to go about it, like how to create landing page. You just, it's not much you explain everything, just give it brief. Okay, that is good to have knowledge about what you are selling, not that you just take any product and start selling. Okay, so if you want to do this for the weight loss niche, okay, you can also go, you can compare two products, and if you compare two products, you can just pick a product and just write a small um content about it, like how the product works and the rest. Okay, and you see the magic when the money start coming in. So that will be all for today. Okay, and I hope you guys grab one or two things, and I hope you guys start implementing this. So if you have any issue or you encounter any problem, you can DM me privately on any of my social media accounts. I've all my social media accounts link and description of the video. Okay, so do give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any question, and turn the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.